Sounds of Decay 3 is Morbid Saint's new album, Swallowed by Hell. What is the right number of decapitations to show in an album cover? I've given it a lot of thought this week. I think 3 or more is just too much. Leave it to seasoned artist Ed Repka to grace the much anticipated return of Wisconsin thrash legends Morbid Saint with a snappy 1.5 decapitations. And why not, after all, considering the unrestrained approach this 5-piece has adopted for their first real new music since the 90s. Produced by veteran Chris Wisco of Knockbistium and November's Doom fame, Swallowed by Hell is exactly 47 minutes of pure oral punishment in the form of wrist-snapping guitars, wild epic shred solos, and Pat Lynn's signature hard-screamed attack. Aside from the aforementioned cover violence, fans nervous that the years may have dulled this squad should feel comforted by song titles like Burn Pit and Pine Tuxedo. This is no Big Four adjacent cover band or acne-prone pizza thrashers. This is a veteran band emerging from a long hiatus to dazzle us with middle-age defying intensity.
One of the first things apparent is new drummer DJ Bagamel is an absolute beast. His double bass wallops and crisp snare attack keeping Morbid Saints engine room purring along strong. Case in point, the intro to Fear Incarnate that he shares with bassist Bob Zabel, deftly setting up one of the disc's strongest riffs. Lynn's vocals seemed a little higher and more hook-conscious than in the almost stream-of-conscious style he employed for Spectrum of Death. The leads on this album are so much better than they need to be, very lyrical and full of melody. Examples are all over the disc, but the leads Jim Farragades and Jay Visser conjure in Bloody Floors and Fuck Them All are magnificent, particularly the latter, which incorporates a bit of the Alex Skolnick flavor. The snaking changes, cool bass interplay, and riff bonanza that makes up Bleed Them Dry may be the disc's high point. Lynn tricking lines like, "They are the hammer, we are the nail," against Bagamel's dizzying percussive changes.
Proof positive that you're never told to kick copious amounts of ass. Welcome back, Morbid Saint. This is Bloody Floors.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.